play again. I've been downtrodden, I've been pushed around, I've been broken and bruised. My heart's been wrung out and kicked around, had my share of the blues.
Push too much.
Show me true and new clarity. Now I see. Now I see.
Get too big here.
Because you believed in who I am and all that I can be. You believed. You read my heart and shared all my dreams. I just wanna thank you for all the joy. Can we just try that bit again? I just wanna thank you.
We'll go from there. Because you can, and watch, don't, because we've got a second chorus to come up, so don't get too heavy on this one because it gets bigger in the second chorus. Alright? Because go from there, okay? From
Oh, right, okay,
chorus,
okay.
Yeah.
Because you believed in who I am and...
That was my fault. That's my.
I know.
Careful.
Because you believe. You are just playing.
Okay.
Chorus?
Yeah, same thing
Okay.
again. But not too big, don't forget. It's the first chorus, not the second chorus. Okay.
Because you believed in who I am and all that I can be. You believed. You read my heart, shared all my dreams. I just wanna thank you for all the joy you bring. You believe. Because you believe.
When you're going into head voice in that, because you come when the because you believe you get
I just wanna thank you.
oh yeah, because that's coming back really quiet at that point. So
Too quiet.
no, I like it coming back too quiet, but I just wonder because the head voice is much softer, so it's better to get into the head voice quicker. I think. Can you get how low can you get down in the head voice so that it really because we've got quite a big chorus and then we suddenly dropped it. Yeah. Can we just do the chorus again?
Yeah.
So you can get in the head voice earlier, so we suddenly have
So
a real
all of
contrast.
I just wanna thank you in
See,
headphones.
yeah, try it. So do-
Okay. Because you believed in who I am and all that I can be. You believed. You read my heart, shared all my dreams.
Yeah.
I just wanna thank you
Yeah, it's great.
for all the joy you bring. You believe.
Yeah, because when you don't forget that they might do all the work on the recording.
Yeah.
Just because it's suddenly real soft in a live, on the recording, it'll be great because actually we'll take all the strings off and everything.
Music back, yeah.
And so let's try that again, and I'll pull back the piano, but actually it won't because obviously the piano's going to be too loud for you at this stage.
Okay.
Let's just try that again.
From chorus again.
From chorus again.
Okay. Because you believed in who I am and all that I can be. You believe. You read my heart, share all my dreams.
Right back.
I just wanna thank you for all the joy you bring.